What's up everybody, Kevin here, and today we are back with another episode of C Sharp tutorial. In this video we are gonna create a program that get an input from user and then print that input. Okay, now let's start. First we are going to create new project, console app, create console app, get input, create. Now let's start. Before everything we write console.read key just in case not to forget about it. Console.read key. As you know guys, C# is a case sensitive programming language. I mean, console C has to be uppercase, and R and K in their read key has to be uppercase. Now we want to get input from user. First we need to initialize a variable. Let's see how it goes. For example, input, we initialized a variable. Int here is our data type. I mean, it shows us what kind of data we can store in this variable. We have some kind of variable, integer, string, double, and some other else. I will put the picture some here. And input is our variable name. I can name it as A, B, or input. Now we want to get an input from user and store it in our input. I mean, this one. Now we need to write input equals convert the to int32. Console.read line, and that's it. The input will store in our variable. Let me change the name. Here. We store the input in the A here. So now we want to print it. I talked about printing something in the last video. We have to write console.writeLine. Now we have a variable, and we don't need any quotation. If we put quotation marks in right line, the computer will print this specific word in between two quotation marks. I mean, if I write A here, it will print A, not our variable. Let's start just to see. Okay, now we have to um, the computer initialized our variable. Now we are in this line. As a user, we have to give the computer some number as an input. I give number 6 and enter, but it print us an A. To prevent that, we just need to remove these two. And now we just need to start this program and it will print the input. We give the computer a number. Oh my god. 5, and it prints 5. But just in case to have a better program or some cleaner program, we just added some other things like console dot write line, write a number, and write a number, and then here the input is now again console dot write line, just to print us some, oh my god, equals, just to have cleaner view of what are we doing now. Now let's start it. Write a number 4, the input is 4. In the last video, I said we can use console dot read line instead of read key. Now we know why. If we write read line instead of read key, the computer gives an input, but it don't store that anywhere. I mean, it kinda do read line do something similar to read key, and waits until we give the computer something, and the program will close. But I like to use read key. Let's just start this program one more time. Write a number 12, the input is 12. But now, what if the user wants to give us a string? We just need to add string b and b equals console dot read line and then semicolon. Let me write and string and then here the input A is, the input B is B O. I think we don't have any problem here. Save it and start. Write a number like 4. Write a string ABC, and the input A is 4, the input B is ABC. And oh my god. Now backslash n. Backslash n, we can use backslash n in between two quotation marks, and it tells the computer that go to the next line. Let's see the difference. Write a number 12 ABC. Now you can see there is a gap between these two ones. Let's remove this and to see the difference. ABC, and there is no gap between them. But now, one more question. Why we write convert that to int32 in this variable, but we didn't write convert to string in the second variable? The answer is when C# gets an input, the input is string by default. If that is an integer or double, you need to convert that. And here just to add another one, double. Oh, let's just before that start. If we give the computer a decimal number, it gives us an error like 2.2. Here an error. That's because we initialize the A as an integer. Double C and here decimal number to double and console.readline. Here input C. Now start it. Okay, now in the first one, write a number like 2. Write a string ABC. Write a decimal number like 5.3, and there is no problem. Let me remove this one. And another thing, we can do something else with this variable, like here we can do this one, and we have also no issue, but it has to be here. And let me remove this one, string B. Decimal C. Oh, double C, and it works too with no issue. And we can do this also, just to have clean looking. \n. Write a number like 3. Oh, no, ABC. 4.6. 3 ABC 4.6. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that video and find that helpful. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Hope you have an awesome day, and peace out.